Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Daniel here. In this video, I want to show you how I've been able to generate over $1,000 in sales with Walmart Marketplace. Meaning, being a Walmart seller, I was able to sell over $1,000 worth of products in the last 24 hours alone. And this video is not to tell you that, oh, this is easy. I just want to show you how you can get started with Walmart, because if you're interested in doing anything in commerce, you know, Amazon is probably a good option and dropshipping is what is most popular. But Walmart, being a very new platform where they've just been allowing sellers to come on, it's not a lot of people doing this, and I am just one of the few who happen to be doing it, and maybe comfortable enough to share information about it online, because when you go online you can find a lot of information about it. So I'm going to share my screen first and just walk you through my screen, walk you through my dashboard, and let you see exactly what the numbers look like. There's no there's no fluff here. I'm going to show you everything. So I'm going to start recording now. All right, so there you go. So this is my screen right now that you're seeing on the screen. And as you can see, I started this account a couple months ago, but I never really put a lot of attention to it. I never did anything about it. I would list products here and there, but it just wouldn't get sales. And I didn't put a lot of effort into doing product research and to list products that people might be able to sell. And the thing with Walmart is that, being a very new platform, there's a lot of people trying to come on, and there's a lot of competition with prices. And just like Amazon, it's very hard to do dropshipping on Walmart because it's very customer centric, and products needs to have a UPC code. Now, the best approach if you want to sell on Walmart, if you want to make a lot of profit and be successful on Walmart, just like Amazon, is to do private label. So find products that are already working, and there are softwares that will do that for you. I will share that in another video. If you want to see that, let me know in the comments. There are softwares that will, that you can do research with and that can tell you exactly what products are selling. Personally, I have a few ideas. I know products that are selling well. I've sold a few of them in the last couple of weeks. I know that there's always, there's always demand for these products, but I think the best way to go about it is to go find a supplier and to private label this product. So that way you're not competing, with other sellers on price, because in order to make a lot of sales on Walmart, you need to get the buy box. So the buy box is simply the product that appears on the first page, or that customers see when they search for a specific keyword. So you need to compete with people on the buy box, and the only way to do that is to have control of your own price. If you don't have control of the price, then anyone can get the buy box as long as they have the cheapest price with Amazon. So this is the last 7 days, and as you can see the graph, you can see the spike here. This is my sale in the last 24 hours alone. I've sold about 15 units, 17 orders, meaning one person purchased 2 products. I'm just gonna refresh that just so you can believe that this is actually real numbers. There's no cap here. What is today's date? Is November 30th at 5:38 p.m. So I'm gonna show you the orders as they came in. So this is what the orders look like. As you can see, most of the orders came in on November 29th. So this is not cap. This is not some fluff I'm trying to share with you here. And I'm going to show you the overview. I've been doing this for a couple of weeks, like I said, and the last 7 days, I'll do in the last, let's do the last 3 months, and let's just, see exactly what's been going on with this account. So I'll just do the last 2 months, so that you can see that I've been making a lot of sales, but I've just not paid a lot of attention. I've had 52 orders, and a lot of these orders, as you can see here with the graph, I had to cancel them because either the pricing is wrong, or maybe I uploaded a product, then the pricing changes after a few days and I can't make any profit, and I just had to cancel it. And yeah, as you can see, I have had a few spikes here and there, but nothing too serious. So the most difficult part of selling on Walmart is actually getting approved, and I was able to get my account approved in about 24 hours. So if you're thinking about Walmart but you don't know how to get approved, because you can't just get on there, you can't just apply and they accept you. They have to be reviewed by an actual human being. So if you want to improve your chances of getting approved on Walmart, let me know in the comment box down below. Maybe I can make some type of video and just walk you step by step on what you need to get in place. You need to have an LLC, for example, in order to get approved. So let me know in the comment box if that's something you'd like to see. I just wanted to come here and make this video about Walmart Walmart and let you see that there are other opportunities out there if you want to get into e-commerce. I know this might be a little bit intimidating, especially for a lot of people who have never done anything on this scale before. So Walmart is one of the stores that I run. I have Facebook as well. I have Facebook shops. I have a Shopify that's not very active. So I just like to share these ideas with people so that you can go out and do the same thing. So let me know if you want to see a video about how to get approved on Walmart, if you want to get started, resources and things of that nature. And also let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I know I've been uploading different types of content on this channel, and sometimes it could look like it's all over the place, meaning it's still all over the place. I have a main channel, which is my travel channel. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description. Go check it out. But if you want to see more business stuff, make sure you subscribe to this channel down below, and I will be sure to put out more content as you guys ask for it. So let me know in the comment box down below and I will make videos. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for coming back, and thanks for subscribing if you've done that. I appreciate it. My name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video.